6.
6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 8. 12. Sorry, my 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18.
Yes. Okay.
6.
Okay, Bhuvi. Good. Aradhya,
Yes, teacher.
tell me the table of 6.
Okay. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 36.
Okay, okay. Bus. Part. Table of 6.
6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54.
6 tens are 60. 6 plus 1.
7.
Oh, sorry. 7. Now, Bhuvi, tell me what will come here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, miss.
Bhuvi, what will come?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. $26.
Bhuvi, no. देखो, you wrote 8 here.
Yes, miss.
9 plus 1 is left only. So you will add these two numbers.
Miss, I was adding 1 and 8.
Hmm.
1.
0 plus 1 is 10 plus 1.
10 plus 1, 11.
Yes, next.
15 plus 2, 17.
Very good.
2.
And okay. Yasini, Beta. Now tell me what will come here.
22.
Next number. Beta, next number.
25 plus 3, 28.
28.
Bhuvi, can you tell me? 6.
Ma'am, 6 1.
What will come? What will come here?
Ma'am, actually I joined late.
Yesterday I gave the homework. Did you do?
No, ma'am.
In last table, we added 0.
50.
You will tell me one thing. 8 is a 1-digit number or 2-digit number?
50.
Not 50. I am asking 8. 8 is a 1-digit number, so we will add 0 before 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Clear? Beta, clear beta?
7.
7.
8.
Yes, next.
Okay. Now here 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08 and 09. Clear? Now again we will no need of writing 0 here. Clear? Everyone clear? Or anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Vita, Yazini, Hardik, Aradhya, Bhuvi.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now look carefully. First, we will write the ones place. 4, 8, 2, 6. Now I will call the name. Bhuvi, what should we write?
Yes, miss. 0.
Vita,
Yes.
what should we write here?
0.
No.
4.
Yes. Yazini,
8.
yes. Hardik,
Ma'am, 2.
Bhuvi, no. Aradhya.
6.
Yes. And